Hey guys, welcome to DudeX. And now maybe you are looking for internet security, and then you should watch this video till end.
So yes, at the present you know that we are mostly living with online, and so you need a good online security. So I like to introduce you, not me to introduce you know, this Kaspersky internet security, and I think this is very good to use and this is very efficient, and they gave us a 1 year license period for one device, and there are always updates in it, up to date automatic updates for entire license period, and this is supportable for your PC, Mac and mobile, and gives you a good security and save your money, and it has a good performance and very simple to use. And you need some minimum system requirements as internet connection, Windows based IE 10, 10 plus and Net 4 plus, Windows 10 or Windows 8.1, 8 or 7 SP1 plus. If you have Mac, you need Mac OS 10 1.2 or higher, and also you need 1.7 GB free space on your hard drive and 1 GHz processor with 2 GB memory RAM. If you have a mobile, you need Android 4.4 plus or higher, and if you have iOS Apple, you need 11.0 plus device, and they are the minimum system requirements. And now I will unpack this. So after you cutting this upper part, you will receive a pack like this, and also you will receive a little gift token, this is your pen, and you will get your activation code in here. And also inside this you will get a CD, a green color CD, Kaspersky internet security name like this, and they have given the way how to install the CD to your PC, Mac and Android device, and about VPN based protection and installation distance and some more protections. And anyhow, my PC is not supportable for CDs, so they have given a website to download their setup. So today I will show you how to download the setup and install and activate the Kaspersky in your PC, and what are the features of this Kaspersky. And now I will start showing you how to download and install this Kaspersky to your PC. So yes, first of all you need to go to that www.kaspersky.com/downloads 2021 website. 2021 means according to the year, this is 2021, and you have to go to that, and here it is. I put the link below the description so you can easily go to that website, and here is it. Then you have to download this Kaspersky Internet Security for Windows if you are using Windows, and according to the device you can download Android from here, from Google Play, and Mac from here. And now I'm using Windows, so I already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. And now I will show you how to install it into your PC. So then here is the setup, and it is loading, and now it's okay, and you have to click the continue, and then you have to start installing from here, and it will start to install. And now I have already downloaded the newest version, and it says a newer version of the application is installed on your computer, and so I don't need to download it again. And in your PC it will start to download and load and finish, and you will get the Kaspersky Internet Security application to your PC. And now I will close it, and now here is the Kaspersky Internet Security application. And first of all you need to activate your Kaspersky license from the from the license in here. Now I have 253 days remaining in my license. So I have already activated it. When you enter to this, you will receive a window and screen like this. So you have to enter your activation code to here and save activation code. So then the activation code will run and your Kaspersky will start to work and give you a security. Okay, now I told you how to install Kaspersky and how to activate your Kaspersky account, and you saw it is very easy and very simple. And now I will show you the functions of this Kaspersky and how it works. Here the first one you can see a scan. After you enter into it, you can see quick scan, full scan, selective scan, removable scan, vulnerability scan, scan from context menu, background scan, and lot of scans are there. And you can run a quick scan to identify viruses and threats in your computer in folders, and you can run full scan to identify them clearly. And from selective scan you can select some files that you want to scan and scan. Then from removable scan you can scan things like pen drivers, and vulnerability scan you can scan applications that you install your computer. And they are the main scans, and there are some automatic checks and scan from context menu, background scan. Yes, see, there are the things in the scan. And here in the database updates, you can run any update. Any update means the updates that's given by Kaspersky. You can run such updates, and you can also run update if you want at any time from run update. And there the database update. And in save money you can add any website that you not like, that you store money, and you add your credit card details, and that website you have to add the link to here, and select any option and add the website. And this is the on-screen keyboard, and you can use it when you are typing your banking details, and not only banking details, you can use it also to others, and I will show you at the end of the video. And this is privacy protections. You can block the access if any app or any website is using your webcam. You can block it very easily from this, and you can also ignore that. And when private browsing, if you see any ads, and if any website is trying to collect your data, they will prevent it, and you can choose any option and prevent it. And this is protection for kids. You have to install it and you have to run it, and there are many options on it also. And in my Kaspersky, you can go to your Kaspersky account and see the details, and there are the things and the features of this Kaspersky. Here is the Kaspersky on-screen keyboard that I told before. You can use it when you are typing banking details, that you can type not only banking details, you can use it in anywhere, so it gives you a good security when you are typing.
And I like to recommend you to use Kaspersky Internet Security. And thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel to be a legendary. And see you next time.